mass of an atom is atomic mass, then what will be the mass of a molecule? We know that a molecule can have more than one atom. So the sum total of atomic mass of these atoms will make the molecular mass. Sum total of the atomic mass of various atoms found in a molecule of maybe same element or a compound. For example, again if we take the case of water, what will be the molecular mass of water? The atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. So H2 will mean 1 into 2 is equal to 2. And atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So molecular mass of water becomes 1 into 2 plus 16, which is 18. In case of ammonia, it will be atomic mass of nitrogen is 14 plus 1 into 3. So this becomes 17. In case of sodium chloride, it will be sodium is 23, chlorine is 35.5, so it is 58.5. And what is the unit by which we express it? First it was AMU, MO, and now IUPAC has changed it to mu. Now if somebody asks you to weigh an atom, what will you do? Laugh. How can I weigh atom? It is so small. What kind of balance will I use? I can't even hold it. I can't even see it. Same problem was faced by the scientists also. Atom is so small. How to kind of weigh it and how to measure it? And if we want to measure it, do we weigh it or do we measure its size or do we count its number? Now I will give you a very interesting example. Say I want to know how many particles would there be in any given substance of 1 kilogram. So I went to market. I bought 1 kilogram of banana. About 7 or 8 bananas came. Then I said, okay, I will buy 1 kilogram of mango. Now there were only 4 or 5 mangoes. I further went up. I said, okay, I will take some peaches. Now in 1 kilogram of peaches, the number of peaches became more. Then I bought some grapes. In 1 kilogram, the number of grapes was much more. And then you know what I did? I bought 1 kilogram of rye and then 1 kilogram of zira. And now you keep counting the grains. How many grains would be there in 1 kilogram of zira? So difficult. So very difficult to count. Similarly, when we want to count the number of atoms, it is very difficult. Another thing, scientists also wanted to know how many number of atoms are there in 1 kilogram and what does 1 atom weigh. Now because it's so small, we have to use a larger unit. Just as a wholesaler, when he is selling things, he will not count 1, 2, 3. You want to buy tea sets? They will say, how many scores? How many dozens? Because if they count or sell in terms of ones and twos, they cannot neither make money nor they have that kind of time. So there it is in either dozens or in scores, that is 12 dozens. So here also they had to evolve a method or a concept by which they were able to do this. And that is what was called mole concept.